Hello everyone, welcome to KN Technology SMP Neo 2 Series Media Player tutorial video. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of configuring basic network settings. Now let's start to edit the network settings. Go to the network in the main menu and click it for advanced information. SMP Player supports 3 different kinds of data network: Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and 3G or 4G data network. Once you successfully connect to a data network, you can see detailed IP network information on the right of the network overview page. You can further manage detailed information of each data network here. Kindly remind you that you might need an optional USB Wi-Fi or USB 3G and 4G dongle to make the wireless or 3G and 4G data network available. As we mentioned, SMP Player will automatically get an IP address from a DHCP server. If you have a DHCP server, you are already done with the network settings now. If you don't have one, you need to further configure static IP settings. Please enter a valid IP address, network mask, gateway IP address, and domain name server. After editing the network settings, please restart your player to activate the settings. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos or go to the online help on each page. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing KN Technology.